You and me, hanging from the willow tree.
Dad,
What?
more on you than me.
Okay. Well, why you more me?
Because it's your YouTube channel, that's why.
Yeah, but they want to see you.
Yeah, fine, that's enough. Cool.
Right, okay, right.
Because I can lean in if I wanted to see.
Right. Ready?
Yes.
Welcome. What did I say? Hi, this is Nick from Cupra Car Mania. I'm here with my son, Louis. Louis, say hello.
Hello.
No, say hello so you mean it.
Hello.
We're out in the Cupra, and we thought we'd do a short video on the overrun on the Res Delete. It's just madness. Louis loves it, and we'll have a quick drive around and we'll show you what we mean. So, are we ready?
Yes.
Right, put your window down because there's no one here otherwise. It is loud, but okay. So I've had about 2 weeks now with the Res Delete. Absolutely. I mean, the droney. I know we've had a lot of conversation. Or I've had conversations with other people about the drone. It doesn't bother me. It's just, yes, it is there, but you just don't notice it. And when you're in traffic, in an ST parks up next to you, a Focus ST, and you're sounding the dog's doos, and he sounds like a Toyota Prius, you're just nodding and you're thinking, yeah, this is definitely worth it. And I'll swap it into. It's just madness, and it sounds so good. It doesn't sound boy racer-ish. It sounds like a proper sports car, you know. And for a mod that only costs 150 quid, it's mental. I mean, you could go out and spend 600-700 quid on an exhaust system. I'm going to pull to a slower road here so you can actually hear it properly and probably hear me. For, you know, 600-700 quid for a proper exhaust system. 150 quid, people! That's a steal! It's well worth doing. And the best thing is, if you lease your car, you can put it back to normal. When it goes back, when the car goes back, it goes back to normal. 2 sleeves, both ends, boom, done. But no, we're loving it, aren't we, Luke?
Yeah.
Absolutely loving it. I'll tell you what, don't have to get some looks in this car now, I'll tell you. It's just madness. Oh, brother, whoa! Hello, hello. It's awesome. Absolutely brilliant. 150 quid, mate. This is 150 quid. It's awesome. So, if anybody's got a Cupra, and they're thinking, oh, I'm not too sure about the drone. The drone's not. Yes, it will drone. But what you do get, actually we go round. What you do get is this. Oh, who cares about the drone?
And also, he has made a video on the drones. If you want to go and have a look at that, go and have a look at it.
Yeah, there's a video there. Go and have a look. I mean, I did a short one on the way back from work a couple of weeks ago. Probably wasn't the best video in the world, but hang on. Holy moly! Yeah, no, seriously, it's the best mod ever. You know, people are thinking about having their exhausters done. Don't go spending 800-900 quid on a catback exhaust. Just get one of these done. It's so much easier. It's so easy to fit, easy to put back. Oh, we're under fire, baby. We're under fire. And the best thing is, old people don't like it. You scare old people all the time. Go on, sir. Help yourself before I deafen you.
Literally.
Let's try and be nice to this guy. Oh dear. But no, so Cupra 300. Right, so let's have so I really spoke about the car itself. Let's see if I can stop this from wobbling a bit. That's better. Ah, no. See, that's what happens when you. There you go. I'll get my son to put
Right, I'll pause the video, I'll come back on. Right.
Right, we're back. Sorry about that. I dropped the phone and my son. Oh no, I've got indicators on now. Oh, I'm all over the place. Right. So I haven't really spoken about the car itself. So it's still bouncing around, Lou. I mean, I've got to get my camera guy to sort this out. It's just not good enough. Yeah, the car itself, brilliant car. Quick, good on fuel, bloody good on fuel. I mean, I can easily manage 40 miles to the gallon if I wanted to. But not that you want to if you're driving a say a Cupra anyway. I mean, why would you want to drive 40 miles an hour, 40 miles to the gallon? However, if you are in that kind of mind where fuel is everything, then it ain't that bad. Comfortable, spacious. It looks good. It doesn't look stupid like the Honda Type R. You know, I mean, if you like that kind of, if you like the big flare exhaust and the big stupid. Listen. Oh, dearie me. If you like that kind of car, then obviously go for the Type R. But if you want an underestimated car that looks the biz, is quick, this is the car for you. Yes, you could go for the Golf R, but that costs about £5 more, £6 more. And what do you get? All you get is a four-wheel drive. That is it. This thing, if you launch it properly and you just don't put your foot down, this thing launches quick off the line. There is no doubt about how quick this thing is off the line. If you just put your foot down, you're going to sit there and do a lot of tyre smoke, and that's about it. You know, it all depends how you drive the car. You know, and if you go on, Don. I was saying. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to be nice and trying to be nice and people obviously don't care. Yeah, if you like, you know, you can have the four-wheel drive on a Golf R for an extra £5-6 grand. Who gives a shit? I don't. I can see the point. You know, what would you go for, Lee?
Definitely the Cupra.
Definitely Cupra for the.
Yeah.
I mean, if my boy says it's a Cupra, it's got to be the Cupra. You know, I could sit here all day and talk about how good this car is. I mean, do you know what? The only thing I'd probably say that I don't like about the car, there's one thing I don't like about it, is the windscreen. It drives me nuts, keeps misting up on me. Now, I don't know if that's because I am a vapor, I like to vape, and I do vape in my car. Now, my son keeps telling me off and saying it's because I'm vaping. Listen. Oh, yeah, baby. So, maybe that's it, I don't know. But it's the only car that I've ever had that's actually, the windscreen keeps misting up. And that's the only thing on the whole car. You know, I've had this car since June. I've put on 5,360 miles. I've got it for 4 years, and do you know what? I don't want it to end. I don't want that 4 years to stop. It is absolutely amazing car. You know, there's a few bits and pieces I will probably get done to it in the future, but I haven't decided what they would be yet, because to be fair, I'm happy the way it is at the moment. But if you want to hear this, if you want to have one of that, if you want to hear that, just get yourself a Res Delete. Simple, 150 quid, probably 50-60 quid to get it fitted. Your quid's in. You've got a car that sounds amazing, and probably get looked at a little bit too much when you're being a bit of a prat like I am at the moment. But you know, that's what the videos are there for. It's to show you what can happen, or what is, you know, the part that you're going to put on your car going to sound like. And you know, that's what my videos hopefully will be for you. Anyway, this has been lovely speaking to you all. I'll do another video soon when I can think of something to say. This is Nick signing off from Cupra Car Mania. Louis, do you want to say goodbye?
In a bit, lads.
In a bit, lads. See you later. Peace.